tonight, we're gonna head successfully back in time. Back to the era of the dinosaurs. Or who else where. Tonight, we're gonna draw Berby from Xavier Riddle and a secret museum. This is the mysterious device that allows us to travel back in time and discover ancient creatures like no one has ever seen before, and also see celebrities and past presidents. Join us as we draw this magnificent ally and travel back into the past. And here's the comet. And finished. That's how you draw Berby. There are many timelines, many planets, many universes to explore. And this machine might be the key to help tracking them all down. To find out, I know there's gonna be a lot of adventures for us to explore. And one of these days, we'll travel to the Museum of Natural History and explore the past and discover new beings. Until next time, I want you to check out all the playlists that I've worked on in the past. And be sure to like and rock and subscribe to the series. Stegosaurus, see you later. And I'll see you when we get to the past and the future.